Well guys, Warmley Forest again. Let's see if we can fly these two things. We'll try the glider first, because that usually breaks after the second throw. I've repaired it. These are the extra ones I've added. I added the black one day before yesterday. That held the bottom okay, but the cardboard still split around where this peg goes through. So now I've put two more on top. And there's a bit of wind. We'll just wait for these people to go past with their dogs. Right, the wind's coming from the direction of the sun. Okay, a gentle throw. Yeah, that was okay, wasn't it? We'll try a little bit harder. Oh yes. It does say it's a stunt glider, which I assume it means you've got to adjust the elevators so it does loops or something. I don't really fancy doing that. I'll throw it with a bit of an angle, see if we can get it to come round. Get a little bit of that. Nope. I'm actually overheating. It's quite cool, but you can see the sun's out and there's no wind. Oh, very nice. So how many attempts is this we've had? Is this the fourth or the fifth? Fourth, I think. I think I built it, flew it, broke it, repaired it, broke it, repaired it again, broke it. So yeah, probably the fourth flight. I'm just impressed with it. I thought it was going to be complete junk when I bought it, but hey, it's actually flying. I've got extra nose weight on it to account for all these extras. Oh, that was a bit ambitious, wasn't it? Bit of a clack as it landed. Still there. Oh well, we've broken in a different position today. So, hey. So there we go. Bit of glue there this time. But we had a bit of a flight, didn't we? We had a semicircle. So a bit more super glue, and maybe it'll fly again.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.